Are you ready?
Yes.
What is your favorite thing to drink?
Oh my, there's so many.
Gramani. Alcoholic drink, or can I say water?
What liquor goes in a margarita?
Rum?
One more guess.
Bacardi?
Mom, what do I like to drink?
But you like a lot of drinks.
What ingredients go into a mimosa?
Orange juice, champagne, and that's it. Drink it. Yoo-hoo! Let's go to brunch.
I thought there was liquor in there.
What is the object in front of you?
Who the hell knows? A whiskey glass?
I can't remember, but I saw you on videos with this thing. This is a measuring tool.
It is a measuring tool.
I got one!
What is a popular Cuban cocktail made with mint?
¿Cómo se llama?
I can't believe you don't know this one.
Yeah, I know it. But what is?
That is my
I
dream.
know it's your drink, and also Andreas.
Your boyfriend?
My boyfriend. Yeah, sorry.
I know that one. I know. Wait. Mojito. Yeah, I know that one. Mm-hmm.
If you order a drink neat, what does that mean?
Wait a minute, what do you mean by neat? Like clean? I mean, really? What kind of question is that?
What is the proper amount to tip on a $100 check?
Depending the service is good. If it's good, I could give him 20%. If it's no good, you're lucky if you get the 10%.
20 or 25% to my girls, or to everyone, yeah. And if it's amazing, sometimes 30%. If it's you.
What garnish goes into an Appletini?
Olive.
It's a cherry.
Oh yeah? Okay, I don't like Appletini, so it don't matter to me.
What is a draft beer?
Beer with no frizz. I don't know what a draft beer is.
Oh, from the tab. When you get this, yeah, no good.
What is this?
Estera. Cool.
To stop the ice, I think so. I don't know the name, but it's cute though.
What ingredients go into a Cuba Libre?
Margarita. Oh, that's rum and coke, ain't it?
What garnish goes on a rum and coke to make it a Cuba Libre?
Lemon? Cuba. Oh, the worm? No, okay.
Name 3 types of vodka brands.
I'm sorry, I drink all of them, but I do not know their name.
What do they make tequila from?
From plants.
What kind of plant?
I don't know.
An agave plant.
A what?
An agave plant.
Garbage?
Agave.
You sound like you're saying garbage to me.
What do you call the glass you serve champagne in?
Champagne glass.
Obviously. Starts with an F
Uh-huh.
and then an L.
Flawless.
Good job, Mom.
What did I win?